Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I have this in the color Napa Valley. It's a very pretty purple, but it's like metallic. So the description online says that this matte liquid lipstick is long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips, turning your pout into kissable velvet. Stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, lips look and feel healthy all day. This is definitely not an everyday lipstick, but I really like it for like going out at night. I've gotten a lot of compliments when I go out dancing. This lipstick is really great for that. It's great for like Mardi Gras. It's a great costume lipstick. Can't think of any characters where you might need purple lips, but it's still a fun color to use. It's a fairly big tube, bigger than like I think most liquid lipsticks. I can compared to like a pen here, it's like a pretty good size, and it's really thick too. Like the bottle itself, the tube is nice and thick, so you get quite a bit of product there. Yeah, I really like this lipstick. It has a really nice silky formula, and it just makes your lips feel really nice once it's set. You do have to wait for it to dry. As with most liquid lipsticks, that is the case. You have to apply it and then wait for it to dry. But it doesn't dry out your lips. Like it says, it has vitamin A and antioxidants. So it also not only is it just a lipstick, but it also just helps your lips look healthy and actually be healthy. So I really love that part about it. Once it's on, it doesn't really budge. Once it's on, it's on. I don't have to worry about it sticking on my wine glass when I drink something, or fading when I eat. It stays on pretty well. Like I said, this isn't really an everyday lipstick, so I can't say that it's lasted from morning to night, because I've never worn it from morning to night. I only wear it at night. I will say that there have been times where I've been really bad and I forget to, or I just don't feel like taking my makeup off at night. So there have been a couple of times where the next morning I woke up and I was wearing this lipstick the night before, and I didn't take any of my makeup off, and the next morning it still looked really good. I probably could have just gone over it with another quick coat and been good for the day if it was a color that I was comfortable in during the day. And I'm not saying it's not an everyday color. For some people it might be. It just depends on your skin tone. I'm very pale, so it's a really bold color for me, but someone who's more tan and has really pretty darker skin could probably actually pull this off as just an everyday color. So yeah, it comes in quite a few different shades. I'm not sure how many. It's a lot. You can get anywhere. You can get it on Amazon or on the Ofra website. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else actually. Maybe Sephora or Ulta, but I'm not sure. I don't remember actually seeing it there. I got this in in a subscription box that I used to get each month. It wasn't box. It was BoxyCharm, yeah, not Birchbox or Ipsy. So I'll go ahead and open this up, and I can do a little color swatch for you. So it's a twist cap. When I got it, it didn't come sealed or anything. It came just like this. I don't know if it comes just like this or if it comes with a sealed plastic around if you get it at a store. But yeah, it does come like that. It's so dark. So it's really, put it against my hand so you can kind of see it. So it's a plum metallic. The wand has a little angle, which is always my favorite for liquid lipsticks, because it just makes for a much more precise application, especially if you have smaller lips. It is so pigmented. I've never had to do more than one coat with this lipstick. So I'll go ahead and do a swatch for you and show you just how crazy pigmented this is. Isn't that insane? It's so pretty. It is such a pretty metallic purple. I'm absolutely, I love it. You do have to give it a little bit of time to dry, just like with any liquid lipstick. But yeah, it's so pigmented. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this lipstick. There you go. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it. This is like, it's not drying, it's long wearing, it honestly truly feels like you're not wearing anything, which is always the goal when you're wearing lipstick, but is rarely ever the reality. That is the reality with this one. It's lasted through eating and talking, and I just highly recommend this color. It is perfect for going out at night. Yeah, it's just a really, really great lipstick, and I would highly recommend it to everyone. I really wish that the camera showed this, like the metallic of this. You can see the metallic better in the tube than you can on my wrist, but it is what it is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed.